you, in the final days of the administration, declared that they had committed genocide against the Uyghurs and other religious minorities in Xinjiang. Why was that such an important declaration to make, and do you believe the administration will act on that?
The administration to date has sent mixed signals. Secretary Blinken, who's my successor, said that he too believed that genocide had taken place and was ongoing. I'm glad that he said that because the facts clearly support what's taking place. If forced sterilizations, forced abortions, separating families, the internment of 1 million people with the aim of the destruction of people who are non-Han Chinese, if that's not genocide, then the world has lost its way. And so now the responsibility falls to this administration to respond to the genocide that's taking place, the most egregious human rights violation we have seen since the 1930s anywhere in the world, and to respond in a way that convinces the Chinese Communist Party that they must stop these practices and impose real costs on them until they do.